All right, what's going on, everybody? I am that dude 239 IG. So, looking at the harmonic scanner, really quick before we go any further, um, the USD CAD that we were in actually went into profit, $22. So, that was a good trade if you were in USD CAD in that buy. So now we're looking at US, or actually, I'm sorry, one second. So now the harmonic scanner actually picked up on this New Zealand dollar shark pattern an hour ago. So, excuse me, still have time to get into the trade. Um, just for confirmation, we'll go back to the chart here. So everything is lining up. Our indicators, just for better confirmation, we'll look at the 15-minute chart. Looks pretty good. That was the high on that wick. So I'm gonna open a trade, sale, and let's see, new order, sell by market, and I like to go in and edit the stop loss and take profit manually. So as long as we're in the trade, we're good. I think this time I let the USD CAD close pretty early on the second goal, and it went further than the third goal. So I think for this one, I'm actually gonna put it on. I'm gonna set my take profit on the third goal of 0.6111 and see what happens with that. So New Zealand dollar stop loss. What would you say? 6111. Okay, so we'll change that. Six one 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 one. Fuck it. Did I get one too many ones? Yeah, we'll make it a 0. And my take profit, or actually that was the take profit. I'm sorry. So we'll change that. Go to take profit 6111. And my stop loss will be, for this one, it'll be your invalidation level at 0.62558. 62558. All right. And if all pans out well, my take profit on this one would be $574.50. The most I'll lose is 149.50, 299 pips versus 1,149 pips. So again, this is my demo account. Don't be oohed and awed by the big numbers. It's just I put a trade on USD, or I'm sorry, US 30 a couple of days ago that made that shoot up. If you can see it down here, that US 30. I think I'm gonna start trading US 30 a lot more. But US 30 is a lot more volatile. You can lose money real quick if you don't know what you're doing in US 30. So, but after a while, I've been trading for a while. I'm getting used to that US 30, those swings. So, I think I'm gonna start trading US 30 on my real account. That's my real account right there. Not gonna give y'all that. So I stay in my demo. But again, it's a good trade. New Zealand dollar. See what happens. All right, I am that dude 239. Y'all check me out on the next video. All right.